All right. As I started the stream, I realized that I started the wrong OBS client and couldn't use my webcam, so restarted it midway through so that we could all be on cam together. But anyway, we are live here for Aether Cosmology game night number 2. Tonight we're going to be doing some trivia questions on flat Earth surveying, a couple of equations, and some trivia about the heliocentric model. A little mixture of all three. So we're going to get into that now. I already laid out the rules earlier. So the question will be read off, and whoever has the answer, will try and speak first. And if they get the answer wrong, it'll go to whoever thinks they have it next. And we'll go from there and we'll give some clues and stuff. But anyway, we'll start with our first question here, which is the blank, blank, blank is the angle between the gravity vector and the ellipsoid normal.
Bing, bing, bing.
Oh, Beast, what do you got?
Is it the deflection of the vertical?
It is the deflection of the vertical, my man.
Score.
Nice. Very nice. Very nice. All right, cool.
One point for B.
So yes, it was deflection of the old verti. Question number 2. What are the two components of the ellipsoid model?
Ding, 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 ding.
Oh, shit. What's up, Beast?
I might be wrong on this one, but I'm going to go for it. It is the datum and the spherical coordinate system?
Ding.
Very close. Stone, what do you got?
Datum and projection?
No.
Ding. Is it datum and the ellipsoid?
Closer.
A couple types of radii, perhaps?
Okay, no point.
All right, so the first word is included already, which was the ellipsoid. Now there's a second component combined.
Is it the geoid?
Ooh, Taylor got it. It is the geoid with the ellipsoid.
Yo.
The geoid and ellipsoid intersect. Yes. So the ellipsoid.
1 point for Taylor then.
Yep. The ellipsoid model only describes the ellipsoidal geometry in the gravity formula. So it's the intersection between the two. All right. Number 3. The locations of a point on in 3D
Ding.
space are most conveniently described by a coordinate system X, Y, and Z.
Yeah, that would be Cartesian.
All right, Stone. Stone
1
gets the
point for
point.
Stone.
Gotta say ding after he reads it.
You do have to say it after we read it, but I know how easy.
Oh, but that'd be a pretty badass slamming of dings if everybody waits till you're done.
Yes, true.
Well, that's how it works.
All right, but yeah, that is the answer.
Datum.
No, because that gives benefit to people with lower ping, and I'm down here in Uruguay, so I'm never going to get the chance to answer something if we go by.
Sounds like a skill issue. Just kidding.
All right. Hard cap by the speed of light, dude. Rest in pieces, brother. So deflection of the vertical has a blank blank component and a blank blank.
Ding.
What do you got,
Did you
Stone?
get the answer to the last one?
That'd be east west and north south.
Yes, sir. North, south, and east, west components. Yes. Sorry, go
I
ahead.
don't think you said the answer to the last question.
The last
one was
question.
Cartesian.
Oh, it was Cartesian. Sorry. Yes.
Oh, Cartesian. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
XYZ, baby. Always Cartesian.
Mm-hmm. So yeah, that is the north, south, and east, west components. The true direction or blank projections preserve the direction of a specific points on a great circle. True direction or blank projections.
Every time Stone tries to
Equatorial.
answer.
What's that?
I said equatorial.
Negative.
Gleason is a.
Oh, celestial?
No. So it's a type of projection that we're all familiar with?
You should say going once, going twice, in case no one answers.
What was that, Sam?
Oh, what did you say, Sam?
Ooh.
There you go. An azimuthal. That is the answer. So direction or azimuthal projections preserve the direction of a specified point on a great circle.
1 point for Sam. Nice.
Very nice. All right, next we got moon phases. So we left out 2 here. So we have new moon, blank moon, first quarter, blank, and full moon. Or blank
Ding.
blank. What do you got?
Ding ding.
New moon, waxing. Then
Waxing who?
half moon. Oh, waxing crescent.
All right.
Mine was
then-
half.
And then half, and then first quarter, then waning crescent. No, then other half, then waning crescent.
Oh, it was a
I
multi-answer
figured
question.
Kat would get this one.
I didn't
Yeah.
realize there were multiple
She-
answers.
She's
she
given
made
the questions.
Yeah.
Questions.
So what
Oh,
was your-
okay. Well, I'll do it. That would be waxing crescent and then waxing gibbous.
Yes, sir.
Oh, that's right.
This man knows his
gibbous.
wax. All right.
Should
That's
we
why
s-
I'm keeping store.
All right. Next
So
up.
point for Stone.
Oh yeah, so that was waxing crescent, waxing gibby. And then now we have the opposite, right? So now we're gonna do
Yeah, ding.
Okay. Go ahead, Stone.
That's waning gibbous and waning crescent, right?
Yes, sir. The old waning gibby and the waning crest.
That only counts as 1 point for both of those stones.
Yeah, it's one question. I'll just take the 1 point. That's fine. That's fine.
All right. Question 8. The sun makes one complete circuit around the ecliptical in blank amount of days, giving the angular velocity of 0.99 degrees per day.
Ding ding. Is it 365?
I'll take a shot at that.
There's a decimal place in there.
365. Yeah, 0.24. Is that the one you're looking for?
Ooh, 0.24. Let me check here. Ooh,
That would be correct.
Nailed it. 0.24.
Boop.
Well, you got to say to the decimal
Very
place.
close, Taylor.
Yeah.
If you
so
want
I-
That's the answer?
specify that.
Yeah, that's
It
fair.
is.
That's fair. I should have specified. But when you answered and said 365, I said there was a decimal place there. But
I didn't get
yeah.
a chance to finish.
Yeah, you're good.
It's okay.
That's fair
I
enough.
think I would have been with you.
Yeah. Did you know the answer though? Off the top of the
I think I would have got
donkeys?
it slightly wrong.
Nah, she didn't do it.
Yeah. Okay.
That's why you
Eclipses.
have a leap year before.
Yep.
A leap
Eclip-
year.
Eclipses only occur at blank blank.
Ding.
Okay.
Oh, right. We have to wait. We have to
No, you're
wait.
good. Go ahead.
Wait.
Okay, ding.
Go
That's
ahead.
new moon and full moon.
The new moon and the full
That's
moon.
correct.
Nailed it.
This man's talking about ping. He's like ahead of the
Alright.
game.
All right,
What?
here we go. The moon's orbit is
Yeah,
on a
okay.
blank degree tilt.
Ding.
What do you got, Stone?
Dingus Maximus. That's 5 degrees, I believe.
Yes, sir. All right, who wrote chapter 10 of Galileo was wrong, the church was right, the evidence for modern science?
Ding.
Ding. Go ahead, Based. You
Beast,
go
what do you
give it a
got?
shot, buddy.
Dr. Robert Bennett?
Oh,
That's
you
the
nailed it.
guy.
Oh, it was
Yeah.
Rob. Is it
Doc-
is it Bennett?
Yeah, you got it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Cool.
Yep.
But he didn't co-write that with Sungenis?
Robertson
He
Jettis.
did. He wrote chapter
But
10.
he
Not
wrote
and
chapter
chapter
10,
10.
though.
Yeah.
Chapter
but not
10,
chapter 10.
he wrote all by
ah.
himself.
I'd
That's what
rightly
he
put.
wrote.
All right, yeah, that was the answer, Dr. Robert Bennett. Actually. All right. Blank blank is when a person
Dang.
is attacked rather than the argument.
Yeah, ding.
Stone?
Ding, ding.
That's that homonym.
Nice. It is an ad hominem.
Are we dinging during, after?
You have to do it
I-
after. Come on.
It's hard.
Stone.
It's hard. See, even then, you guys are going to waste me on ping. I don't know how to handle that.
-1 point to Stone for sure.
Yeah, dude, every time you get 3 in a row, you actually lose 3 points. So you have to decide
Yeah.
whether or not you want to take that. Okay, blank is a measurement of the relationship between 2 known physical quantities and to what extent they change under transformation.
Metric?
Nope.
Degree?
No.
Can you repeat the question?
Blank is a measure of the relationship between two known physical quantities and to what extent they change under transformation, meaning reference frame transformation.
A unit?
No.
Ding?
What do you got?
Velocity.
Dynamics?
No.
Ding. That would then be kinematics if it is just measurement, right?
No, this is specifically in regard to how a mathematical variable, like a known quantity, will change under transformation. Like they call it
Blank.
Physics?
Well, it is
Delta?
certainly it is close, but if there was
Not delta.
so if something's not supposed to change under transformation and you're trying to analyze the properties of that under transformation, what do you call that type of mathematical relationship?
Oh, I got ding.
What
Can I
you
do
got?
it, or can someone else?
Go ahead.
A kinematic equivalent?
No.
No, fuck.
Yeah, there'd be two.
Just one
He's
word.
referring to the mathematical language. The word is coming to me.
Yeah, so specifically when we're talking Lorentz transformations, like what kind of overlay of reality is a Lorentz transformation versus a Galilean? Right?
Oh,
Quantification?
Will you repeat the question one more time, please?
Yes. Blank
For
is a
everyone?
measure of the relationship between two known physical quantities and to what extent they change under transformation. Starts with
Wow.
a co.
Refactor?
Close?
Oh yeah.
coefficient.
Cosine?
Closer?
Alright,
Different-
cosine.
Brain lock.
Nope, that's a different co.
Damn it.
Covalence?
Andrew's
I think
super
Andrew
close.
got it. That's
Andrew's
what
super.
it's called.
That's not it. That's not it. But that was super close.
Okay.
Covariant?
It's covariance. Yeah,
Yeah.
that's what
Who
it
said
is.
who said covariant?
Someone
think
said
that
it
was
before
Chris.
Stone. Someone said it before Stone.
Yeah, it came out right before Stone. Who was it?
Was that Chris?
Oh, you heard me?
Answer.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah,
Oh, it
I heard
was.
you, man.
Yeah.
It's
Nailed it.
Chris.
Or was it
Chris?
Andrew?
No, Andrew said
No, it was Chris.
the other word
Good
that's
job.
not related to that.
Covalence.
Covalence, yeah.
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 Like covalent bonds. That's
Yeah, it
beautiful.
was- Yeah.
You were so close.
There was an ants in there. I was super excited for you. But yeah, it is covariance. All right. So let's see. What do we got next? The blank 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 applies to the magnitude of the distribution of light or radio waves over distances.
Ding.
What do you got, Stone?
Ding.
That's the inverse square law.
Yes, sir.
Good job, Stone.
Mm,
The inverse square law.
It's not
Bl-
inverse square law? A root law.
Inverse.
Inverse square law.
What-
Blank blank was an Italian astronomer and engineer and
Ding.
Freemason,
Ding.
and sometimes known as a polymath.
Ding.
Galileo Galilei.
That's
Nope.
exactly
hear
what I
the
was going to
questions
say.
anymore.
All right, what was
George.
that? Sorry?
Did we get the answer to the last question?
Yeah,
George Airy.
it was the inverse square law.
Oh, okay.
Sorry,
George
and-
Bedell Airy.
No, whoever said
No, he was British.
Galileo
Andrew.
Galilei.
Oh shit.
No, Andrew came up with Galileo as I was about to also say it. But yeah, you can have the point. Go for it.
Get it, Andrew. You get one. You got to say ding, by the way, Andrew, so we know
Oh, okay.
when you have the
Yeah,
the
you have
answer.
to self ding.
The
Where's my
ding
bell?
That's
cast.
selfie.
Yeah, we'll come up with a system
Or do your
in
buzzer.
the future.
He said, "Where's my
right.
bell?"
All right, in 1983 in Oklahoma, an oil exploration project had to abandon their endeavor at 5.9 miles because they encountered blank blank, making it unsafe to drill.
Bing.
It is okay. What do you got?
I'm gonna say oh shit, just gas veins.
I'll dig
Negative.
in there.
What do you got?
Yeah, how about excessive heat?
Close.
Did you ding, Dan?
Okay,
Yeah,
biblical
we're referring to the,
biblical lads.
Oh.
This one's for you.
Wait, What'd you say?
Wait, what was the answer?
Well, I haven't given the answer
We're
yet,
not
but
there yet.
what they found underground was like very biblical.
Ding.
Magma.
What's up?
Dan, wait, what was your answer, Dan?
What up, Beast?
I thought you were asking the name for it. Isn't this the Russian burr hole that's like near?
No,
No.
that's not in Oklahoma.
No,
No.
this is a project that was undertaken in the 80s in Oklahoma, and they could only
It's an oil expedition.
at almost 6 miles
Ding.
they encountered
Mm.
a molten something that made them stop. All right, who dinged?
Was
Is
it
he-
natural gas?
Layer
Well-
or lava?
No.
Wasn't
was
it like
the-
a fire that just couldn't stop? Right? I can't
Mm,
remember what it's called now.
Okay.
Ah,
Do you guys remember that story in the Bible about pillars of salt and all that kind of stuff?
mhm.
Was it a salt mine?
Did
that
they
hit?
really encounter molten salt that down there?
Molten sulfur. It's kind
Ooh.
No,
Oh,
molten
sexy.
salt. Molten
Oh.
salt is what I said.
Sulfur.
Wait, didn't they? Is the Bible story not about molten sulfur turning people to stone?
Yeah, they have
or
the lake
something?
of fire and burns of sulfur. Yeah,
Oh,
the lake
okay.
of molten sulfur.
I might have had the wrong story, but yeah, I was trying to get you guys to say sulfur. So sorry about that. Wrong
So it was
Bible
molten
story.
sulfur?
Stumped you. Nice.
So no one got that? That's a
1 point
why.
for
Actually-
Cat.
Actually, Stone got it.
All right.
Just no, he didn't get it, but
He needs all the points he can get.
yeah. So yeah,
No,
it was
I get
molten
that
sulfur.
point because I stumped you all.
Nice.
Give Cat the
I'll
point.
take that one.
All right.
I'm keeping score. I already did.
So 16. Blank Blank conducted the most extensive work in the field of interferometry between the years of 1905 and 1930.
Yeah.
Ding.
Ding, but we'll let
He
Beast
says
answer. Go
hand
for it.
up. Who is it, Beast? Who is it?
Dayton Miller.
It's our boy,
That's the
Dayton
guy.
Miller. That's him. Dayton Miller. After 25 years of interferometric experiments, how many measurements did Dayton Miller make?
Ding.
What do you got?
5 million.
Ooh, plus or minus 100,000.
Uh, 5 million.
250,000.
Negative, Ghost Rider.
Okay,
Ah.
5.2.
Nailed it, Stone.
It's yeah, it was like 5,200,000 something thousand.
5,200,000.
Damn, plus or minus 100. You couldn't give it to me? You couldn't squeeze it out?
Couldn't
Not
do
when
it,
I
bro.
got it on the head.
All right,
Couldn't do it,
Stone.
bro. Couldn't do it. Blank states that a planet's orbit around the sun is an ellipse with the sun at the focal point.
Isaac Newton.
The other Sky Daddy.
Galileo.
Ding.
The other Sky Daddy. What do you got, Beast?
Kepler.
Yeah, but there's more to it.
That is a part of it.
Kepler's law. Kepler's third law. Sorry.
Oh, nope, not the third. Sorry.
Not the third.
Kepler's
damn it.
first law.
First
Yes.
law.
Yep,
God.
the first law.
Kepler's law of motion.
Kepler's first law.
Yep. Kepler's first law. All right, let's see what we got here.
Where you helping Stone Beast?
Kepler's second
not
law is that a
having
line
smoke.
segment joining a planet or the sun or around the sun sweeps it at equal areas at blank, leading to orbital varying orbital speeds. So it sweeps out at equal areas of distance and then at blank of blank. So distance.
That's a little vague.
What's the formula for speed?
Ding.
Yo.
Distance over time.
Okay. So there's definitely an element of one of those words associated with the answer. We already have distance.
Oh, I got it.
What do you got?
Periodicity and
I'm not very good at this, are you, Beast? He could. You look at the length of the little lines. Those are the lengths of the words, right?
It's the same verbiage as up here. So equal areas of distance, and then we have also equal areas of
It's there, but it's not there. The blanks are messing me up.
Speed formula.
They're messing
Equatorial
my-
distance over time.
Should we do
Equal
it
lengths
going
of
one?
time.
Oh, there you go, Stone. Nailed it. Equal lengths of time and area. Yep. That was it. So equal intervals of
Alright.
time. Equal areas at equal intervals of time.
Time to DDoS Stone real quick.
Oh, Stone, you having a little connection issue there? I can't hear you.
Oh boy.
What can I say? I pay attention in class. I don't know.
All right. Kepler's third law, the square of the orbital periodicity is proportional to the cube of the blank 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 of its orbit. So what are the properties of an ellipse? What's another word for the radius of an ellipse?
Ding. Is it the exocentricity?
No,
Negative,
it's the
that's
square
right.
root of the time.
It is, but that's not the answer.
Diameter.
What would make you what makes up the components of a diameter on an ellipse though? Like how would you, if you were gonna section it out, what would you call the
Is
lines
it-
that intersect it?
I'm trying to think of the words for the lowest and highest point or whatever, furthest
Yeah.
away from the center.
Yeah, you're on the right track, my
The
son.
orbital ellipse.
Semi-major
Like-
axis.
Semi-major axis.
Oh.
Ah.
You got it.
Never
Too
mind.
late, Beastie.
Yep, the
was
semi-major
the answer?
axis.
That
It's
was a
proportional
page
to the
delay.
cube of the semi-major axis. So the radius of the ellipse essentially.
Do you know the terms that refer to like the highest and lowest point of an orbit?
Isn't it
Would it be
Hillian and
perihelion?
perihelion?
Yeah, perihelion,
Yeah.
aphelion, and then in terms of like
Aphelion, yeah.
and then in terms of the symmetry of the ellipse, the one that would go the longest way across it would be the semi-major axis, and then the one going up would be the minor axis.
Neil deGrasse Tyson just straight up stole that and used it for his thesis.
He did his
Bunch of
thesis
bullshit.
on the bulge of the galactic center at the Milky Way. He studied the
Yes.
galactic bulge.
Major
Specifically-
galactic.
Dude, it's probably the biggest bulge anyone's ever looked at in the sky. It's very impressive. Blanks blank blank states that the force acting on an object equal to the mass of the object multiplied by its acceleration.
Ding.
What do you got? Beast?
Newton's first law.
Ding, it's actually third.
Third law. I keep mixing
Yeah.
it, dude. Oh my god. I need to smoke.
There's still
Still
one
not
more
there,
law.
Newton?
Still one
Newton's
more law.
second law.
Still one more law. On the
Okay.
table. It is.
I'll
the
take
second.
it. Newton's
is
second
the-
law.
It is the second. Newton's second
Oh,
law.
damn it, Stone. You were so confident. You had me all giggly.
I psyched you right out.
You psyched me.
All right. Blank blank is the force required to keep an object traveling on a circular path.
Centrifugal?
Yes.
Yes, whoever was it Dan that said it
Dr.
first?
Dan.
Yeah.
Give it to
Nice.
Dan. I was stumped.
Point for Dr. Steen.
These are great questions.
Kat did a wonderful
you.
job.
Yeah.
Out of 88 constellations recognized by the International Astronomical Union, blank are predominantly found in the northern hemisphere.
Ding.
Can you repeat that?
Missing an
I
N
think
in
it's,
predominantly, but we'll let it
62.
go.
Thank you, sir.
And there's an extra E in there.
I think Andrew got it before me, but you got to say ding, Andrew.
Oh, ding,
Go
ding,
ahead.
ding.
All
Yeah,
right.
you got to ding it
I
in,
think it's
man.
62.
Ooh, I don't think that's correct.
Not correct.
Hmm.
62 is wrong.
Yeah, let me see what the
What did he
answer
say? I
is.
didn't hear.
Yeah, it's
Out
It's
of
been-
88 constellations, how many are in the northern hemisphere? Or you
what
read
did
it
he s-
off. I can't see.
yep.
Yeah,
So
what
out
did
of-
the
out of-
answer say?
I'll just give it a guess.
Here, hold
82?
on. No. Sam, out of 88 constellations recognized by the International Astronomical Union, blank of them are found mostly in the north.
Yeah, I got that one, but Andrew say something, right? He said a number. But that was
Oh,
wrong.
Oh.
He said
Andrew
He,
said
62.
he guessed.
He was wrong.
He guessed 64. No, I'm going to guess 64. But yeah, that's right. He did guess 62.
64 is wrong.
Okay, good.
All right. Who's left that hasn't tried?
All right, let's see here.
Anybody
So
else want to guess?
I can give you guys a number range to guess through.
It's
Nah,
lower.
that's not trivia.
Okay.
I'm gonna go 44.
Yeah, I thought you
Nah.
weren't gonna do that, Alan.
44 is not correct either.
Nope. One more shot.
Anybody else?
52.
36.
36.
Wow.
That's
See,
racist.
I just wanted to tell you guys that I'm doing my evening exercises and I'm really enjoying just being a listener in the game. That's why I'm not participating. Also, it's just nice to watch you pros play it, you know, because I wouldn't have, I don't fit in with you pros. I'm just like, I would not be able to answer any of the
Denial.
questions. That's why
Sure you do.
here and there I knew a few, but you know. But anyways, that's what I'm doing. I'm exercising, but I'm really enjoying it. So keep playing. And also,
Okay, but if we get stumped and you know one, you got to jump in though.
oh, okay.
And
If I know
also,
the
And I
answer-
take
there will be a
they take only
mandatory
last
ad
point.
read. So
Ooh, okay, yeah, give me the heads up. Yeah, I'm around. But the other reason too that I'm not playing is that I'm not gonna play with cheaters, and I know that everyone that's winning is Googling. So
Oh, Lily, how nice of you to point that out.
Googling is
You always got to
lame.
jump in there with the accusation.
Googling. You can see my hands. I'm not doing nothing.
I'm playing Chivalry 2 right now.
Oh, Stongy, this is just like an inside joke. I always joke around and tell everybody they're cheating. I don't mean it. But
she
anyway,
says
keep
she's
playing.
joking, but
Next.
like that's just the public
Watch your
facing
kneecap.
persona, right? Because we're on stream, but like if we were offline, she would be knife to throat right now to everybody.
Oh, you know what? I didn't know you were recording it. God damn it. Okay, keep playing. I'm enjoying it very much.
Love you, Lily.
Oh, wow.
Darn, I didn't
Got
know.
him. All right,
keep
what's the
playing.
next
Love
one?
you
Let's
guys.
go.
Bye.
All right. Next question. 25. One can argue that the apparent decrease in elevation angle to blank as it moves as one moves southern towards the equator is due to perspective rather than Earth curvature. So if you
Ding.
What do you got, Stone?
Polaris.
Oh, it's Polaris. Nailed it.
Dang it.
All right. Let's see.
That was the easy layup. We need a layup.
Yeah,
once
that
in a
was an
while.
easy point, man.
The celestial sphere moves towards how many degrees in the direction of movement for the observer as he moves laterally by 69.17 miles across the x-axis. And I see you
Stone's
holding up
already
for
on it.
Yeah, Stone's already got it. All right, very nice. 1 degree.
1 degree.
The blank calculates the distance based on latitude or distances based on latitude and longitude points on a spherical coordinate system, which is based on positions of the stars.
Celestial navigation.
Close. What do you got?
Got a ding.
I see Beastie.
I think Beastie has it there. What's up, man?
That was gonna be my answer, so I'm holding back real quick. I'm stretching out.
All right, it's some sort of formula that we've all heard of.
Ding.
What you got?
The Habersign formula?
Indubitably.
Woo!
Nice one.
Is the Habersign formula.
The formula, when you said formula, I was like, okay, let's go.
28. 69.72
I got that
statute
one.
miles. You got this one? Send it.
Yeah, big ding. 360.
Oh, dude.
Big ding, he said.
Big
Better do a
ding
big
on that
ding.
one, dude. Super confirmed on that one. All
Gotta
right.
go deeper. Like dong. Yeah, dong. That was a
The
dong.
acronym
we got that too.
SOHCAHTOA? You gonna SOHCAHTOA us?
That's easy. Come on.
Oh, get
Sign
Andrew
over.
then. Let Andrew do it. Let's see.
Sign over.
A sign
adjacent,
opposite.
Cosine.
Exactly. Yeah, you got it. Go
Cosine
for it.
adjacent, hypotenuse, and tangent over.
Uh,
Fuck. What's the other one?
Oh, I got it then.
Adjacent.
It's
Oh, he got
tangent
Adjacent.
opposite adjacent. Yes, indeed.
Oh, no. I just said it too. I was like, what the fuck? Okay.
Now we'll give Andrew the point
So-
on that. Go for it. Go for it.
Nice. All right, question
Moving on.
30. Eratosthenes' experiment for measuring Earth's curvature is based entirely on blank light rays coming in at an infinite distance. from
Yeah,
the
Beast had
source.
his hand up.
What do you got, Beast?
B.
Parallel.
Yes.
Correct.
Yes, it is correct. All right, 31. Blank, blank, blank is the paradoxical field of surveying, which requires the dimensions of the Earth to previously be known before it can even be measured. Beast.
Geodetic?
Geodesic surveying.
There's one
No,
more.
there's a hyphen.
There's one more word to add
Oh,
in there.
astronomical.
Oh,
Astronomical
you got
geodetic
it.
surveying.
You got it.
Woo!
Astrogeodetic surveying.
Astro. Okay, I said astronomical.
It's
Can I
close
get
enough.
minus half a point for that? That's fine.
You do get a.
You got
No, you get the whole point.
Yes,
I didn't
it
get
is.
a point. I'm half of it right.
All right, Taylor gets a halvesy as well.
No half points. I'm just making dashes.
All right.
All right.
32. Blank.
We
A
tried.
blank blank is a circle
Half a
that
dash,
divides
Cat.
a sphere into two hemispheres of the largest
Half a
possible
dash.
point.
I got that.
Yeah, you got it, Stone. Go ahead.
That's the
I
great
got it too.
circle.
All right, cool.
A
We're on the
great
same
circle.
page.
Yes.
I want to
All
learn
right, so-
something, but if we have answers before the question finishes, I can't learn anything.
That's
You gotta
Okay.
turn your camera on.
Wait, are you watching the
I'm
stream?
So sorry.
All
Are you
right.
watching
you-
Alan's stream?
No, I'm unable to
Alan?
watch it now. I'm trying to put up stuff.
Why? Watch
Well-
the stream. He has got the questions right there if you want to learn.
Yeah, dude.
Yeah.
But there's a big delay on the stream. You got to be here.
Right. Next question.
33. Eratosthenes supposedly measured the Earth's circumference using what two cities? Beast.
Ding.
Alexandria and Selene.
Alexandria and Syene. Hey,
Got
hey,
it. Ding,
Andrew, you got a
Andrew.
ding, bro.
God dang, Andrew.
If you don't ding, then you're just dong, bro.
All right, I'm gonna start using my phone for a ding sound.
Or you can raise your hand, like if
Yeah,
you're
where's
on
your-
camera,
where's your
we see you
webcam at,
raising your hand.
Oh, well, I have my shirt off right now, so
Put
hold
him
on.
on a
Ew.
shirt then.
Well, I just sent my class to break, so I was like, fuck it.
Well,
All right.
I can take my shirt off, Andrew, in support if you want.
I already got the next.
Yeah, you're
You,
good.
you flashed the question. That's latitude and longitude there.
Yep.
I mean, the guy who sang Lats and Longs should get that point, right?
Yes.
That's fair, yeah.
Stone,
What
all
was
your
it?
points
That
are
was
worth
wrong.
half, so you know.
35.
you wanna
All
win,
maps
yeah.
are
Yeah, okay.
projections of the.
Ding.
Yeah,
Ding,
give
ding,
it to
ding.
Beast.
B.
Graticule.
Yes.
The Gratty.
The old Gratty. Old Gratter McGratterson. What's that?
Okay,
Did some-
never mind.
does-
All
I
maps
cou-
are
I couldn't hear
projections
you.
of the Taylor. Wait, let Taylor answer it. All maps are projections of the
Geoid.
no
Graticulicus.
The
Graticulicus.
graticule.
Graticule.
Graticulus Maximus Decimus Meridius.
But it's put on a geoid, right?
Meridianus. What's that? Well,
But then it's projected on a geoid, right?
yes. Well, they justify the geoid as the corrections to the coordinate system, but yeah. But they're projecting the
Pretending
graticule.
vertical isn't vertical.
Yeah, they're projecting the graticule. The favored projection is the geoid.
What is a graticule, real quick?
A graticule is a spherical coordinate system that's comprised of latitudes and longitudes, and it has a primary feature of it, which is the bisecting great meridian, which is otherwise known as the equator.
All right.
Cool.
36. There are three major families of projections to form that come from a sphere: blank, blank, and blank.
Bees.
Ellipsoid, geoid.
Nope.
Oh wait, three major.
These are different type of geometrical projection types.
I would go with flat,
Mhm.
spherical, and conical.
Ooh. I think we started with spherical. I mean, 1 second.
Close.
Planar, spherical.
Those are
conical.
not.
No. You nailed two of them. You're missing one. Let me see here. Oh, yeah. Okay.
Cylindrical.
Yep, you got him.
Yeah.
You nailed it. Cylindrical, conical, and planar.
Well, he said flat sphere
Well,
and
He,
flat.
conical.
he said spherical, not
He said
cylindrical.
he
That's
said
why.
he got the first two. He got conical and flat because planar,
Right.
and then he was missing conical. So, but he got it at the
Yeah,
end.
I did get spherical first, and then we came back with.
Yeah.
But it
Got
wasn't. No, it wasn't spherical. It's cylindrical,
Yeah,
conical, and planar.
Yeah,
That was the
Wow, the
problem.
shirtless wonder has
It
arrived.
wasn't
So the
missing.
three.
Yo.
So repeat the question with the answers, just so we can learn a
absolutely.
lesson.
Absolutely. There were 3 major families of projections from a sphere. So we were starting with the sphere, and that's cylindrical, conical, and planar.
Not canonical, which would be a song form.
Nice.
Shut up, Stone. You stop it.
All right, next time I'll have you quality assure the slides, bro. Jesus.
I think that might be wise, but then I don't get to play, so.
See, that is the downside to it. All right. All measurements of the shape of the Earth come from blank blank to a celestial body in the sky.
Ding.
What do you got?
Elevation angles.
Nailed it.
Nice.
It is elevation angles. All measurements of the shape of the Earth come from elevation angles to celestial bodies.
What's an elevation? What's an elevation angle again? Isn't that
Away from horizon.
right? Okay, cool. Just wanted to make sure. No,
Right on.
it's all flat baseline. Just saying.
So he knows the answer, he just doesn't know what the answer means. That's entertaining.
Quite a predicament. Question 38. A blank eclipse occurs when both the sun and the moon are visible above the horizon at the same time.
Ding.
Come on, Killenillion.
Let's see, there goes
All
the
right,
dingless,
all right.
the dingless wonder.
There was 3 answers simultaneously, and I feel like everyone.
Yeah, we'll give it to Beast. He's got it.
I said ding first,
You did say
properly.
it first.
So Killenillion.
And that is the Celine Dion eclipse.
Give it
You
to
are
Beast.
correct. All right, that is all 38 questions.
That was quick, eh?
Dang it.
Yeah, I did not expect it to go that fast. How long was that? That was not long at all. We'll definitely need more questions next time. No, okay.
I told you.
If you ever need more, you can ask.
Well,
Andrew, you wanna go?
Andrew, what are you doing for the next 40 minutes? Do you want to take over as trivia lord?
I can.
Oh, and then Alan and Kat can play then. Yo, let's go.
Well,
bonus
let me pull those back up.
All right.
I'm not sure. I was skipping around all over the place last night,
Stone
so
won the flat earth one, right? Is that what happened? Cat, what's the score?
Is that what happened? Yeah, Stone demolished everyone.
Yes. Yes.
job,
Stone
Stone.
creamed all of you.
Nice job. Stone.
And Beast
Pshaw.
came in distinguishing second place.
Nice.
And
I
a
like
few
that.
other
Good job,
people
Beast.
answered some questions.
How many points did Taylor get?
None.
A half.
Taylor got
She got a
1
half point.
She got a
No,
half.
one
I
and a half.
forfeited-
Okay,
I
1.5.
forfeited before you-
Actually, she got 1.5 points then,
You
if
got
we want to
1.5.
count her half.
Yeah.
Got 1.5 points.
I
There you go, Taylor.
forfeited. I knew there was no way.
What's up, Taylor?
So who wants? I said I forfeited at the beginning once I figured out what was happening. I was like, "There's no way." You guys study that for a living, pretty much. So kudos to you guys.
For a living.
Well, they did take the sky and basically said, look, the sky is spherical, thus mean ground spherical.
Kat, can you
Yes.
keep score for the next game?
I guess. Yeah.
okay. So I don't have a fancy PowerPoint presented for this, so I'm gonna have to do that next time.
Nice.
I think.
Or
I
Alan,
think
if you could just like
since-
send me the source file for that, I can just.
Yeah.
Or I could just do it myself. I guess doesn't matter. All right.
think
So
You have to
somebody-
you have to take that look of
Wait.
consternation off your face first, though. If you're gonna host, man, you gotta at least
Make
appear
sure-
like you're enjoying this.
Well, could
I'm
you
s-
take scores? Kat doesn't want to.
I'm way too sober right now.
Whoever.
Let me fix that.
I don't wanna
Taylor,
force
I've
Kat.
got it.
There we go.
I've got it, hun. We're
Okay,
good.
okay.
I
Cool.
got the paper. I
Break
got
out the
pen.
footer.
I got some-
If I was at my computer, I could, but I'm not.
He said, I'm going to throw on a shirt and a new trivia game. Let's go.
What category are you doing, Andrew?
These are just scattergunned all over the place. I don't have. I'm going to read you some of these questions that this is in my removed or unused questions. Like they're kind of stupid. But I'm gonna.
Are they valid questions?
Hell of an
Are they
endorsement.
like,
Let's go.
Well, I mean, I'll go to the official ones afterward, but I'm just showing you
wait,
like.
are they?
He's just starting with a little cleanup.
Yeah. Well, I mean, at some point I wanted to use these. But go
All
ahead.
right, go for it, Andrew.
No, Taylor's about to ask a question. What were you saying?
Thank you. I was just asking if you removed them because they were incorrect, or if you removed them just because you didn't like them.
I didn't like them.
Ooh, cool.
Because when I
So-
write the questions, I write them based upon the people that are going to be in the trivia. So, like when we had Chris Crum and Alex Lowry on, they're both professional musicians. So I threw out a whole bunch of music trivia at them. I can go straight into those too if you want.
Well, we
The
know who
Stone
would
would
win
win.
that.
Please
All right.
don't.
What first question is? What are the 4 requirements in order to form a complete sentence?
Subject, verb, predicate, and adjective. Noun.
Nope.
Subject, verb,
Subject, verb, noun, and antecedent.
noun. Did he get it? No, it's not antecedent.
no one-
Noun.
Predicate.
Punctuation. No.
You guys are getting most of it.
Oh, dude, English.
And a conjunction like between them.
All right. So yeah, this is going to be. It has to
You
start with a
won.
capital letter. It has to have a subject, a predicate, and ends with a punctuation.
Dang it, I was so capital
okay.
letter, dude.
Yeah.
It needs a verb.
No.
But
It's
no, it
not.
doesn't have to have a verb.
The sun was
Okay.
hot today.
Was is the verb.
right?
Was. It's a verb.
Oh shit. I'm retarded.
Well, it's
I think they all do need a verb.
You
Maybe
just
not, I don't
burned
know.
yourself.
okay. Well, what is the name of
a
an
full sentence?
What is the name of an instrument that produces sound by controlling 2 radio frequencies with antennas?
I got it.
Theremin.
Ding. Ding. Hey, I said ding. I was gonna say it.
Yeah, give it to Beast. He had his hand up, but I've built them, so it's not a fair question.
But yes, it is a theremin. It's where you take your fingers. You're like.
Yeah, you're creating a capacitive resonant interference across one receiver.
Now, Peter, you better fucking get this. Actually, most of you guys should.
Hold
Why
on.
me?
So we have 1 point for
Okay.
Beast, right? Nobody got the first one, right?
Mm-mm.
Yeah, that's
Okay,
about
so
right.
this was the first point on the board. Okay, just want to make sure wasn't missing anybody's. Continue on, gentlemen.
All right, I better get this one. Supposedly. See where
CBD
this
is the
goes.
non-psychoactive part of cannabis. What does it stand for?
Oh, ding. That's cannabidiol.
Yes. Cannabidiol. Oil is at the end, yeah. However you pronounce
Iol.
it.
Cannabidiol.
All right.
I said that.
And
Did you
again,
say that, Taylor? Did Taylor say that?
Well,
I
her
didn't hear
voice got
ding,
real
though.
deep if she did.
Cannabinoids.
Oh, yeah, I dinged it.
That's mispronounced, I think.
No, I don't think Taylor dinged. Got a ding.
I said cannabinoids.
okay. Name any one of the 3 explanations in regards to what the red, white, and blue represents on the U.S. flag. What does red stand for? Like, what does it mean?
Ding.
This is like incredibly difficult, so it doesn't matter. Just pick one of the colors and tell me what it means.
The blood of the soldiers who fought and died in the Revolutionary War.
No.
For red. No? Well, it should
Nope.
be.
I was gonna say white is freedom.
Yeah, see, that's why I removed a lot of these questions because this is like way too fucking hard.
Yeah, that's an ambiguous question.
I'll just tell you. Red stands for valor and bravery. White stands for purity and innocence. And blue stands for vigilance, perseverance, and justice.
Okay.
That's a good
Sure.
question, though, Andrew, because you learned something from it.
Yeah. All right.
And what does the abbreviation DNA stand for?
Deoxyribonucleic
Dang.
acid.
I
Yeah,
was going to say
Taylor,
Taylor's
please
going
get
to
that.
get that one
All
quick.
right, Taylor, you can get that one.
Yeah, thank you, Taylor. I'm glad we got that.
I didn't really hear
Again,
the question, Taylor. Could you?
She was waiting for that one her
DNA.
whole life.
DNA is deoxyribonucleic acids.
yes.
All right.
Wait, Andrew, why'd you throw that question out?
I guess it just didn't fit,
Oh.
or people would just get it too quickly.
Like
I
that?
remove all the difficult ones that are like way too impossible. Like I had to remove all my engineering questions, and then that kind of. All right, this is a fun one, but again, removed. Joe Biden was born in which city in Pennsylvania?
Ding. Oh, in Pennsylvania. Fuck. I thought it was Delaware. Camden?
Nope.
Scranton.
Scranton is correct.
Fuck.
Yeah, I was gonna guess Scranton. I was waiting for you guys to take a
Good
shot
job,
at
Dan.
It was something like
Yeah.
that.
I
Hence,
just remembered. Yeah.
the Office.
Oh, hey, follow-up trivia question. Who knows what they called Joe? Like, what was his actual nickname when he was early in politics?
Pedophile Joe?
Nope.
Wasn't it like
So who got
plagiarizing
that last
Joe or
point?
something like that?
No, they called him Lunchbox Joe because they always brought it with them on the train.
Huh.
Who got the last point? Is that Dan?
I got
Uh,
yeah.
I think Dr. Dan, yeah.
Okay. Fill in the two names missing from this list. Eric, Ivanka, Donald Jr.
Ding.
Baron. Oh,
Yeah.
Is it Donald and Eric?
No, the two names that are missing from this list. Eric, Ivanka, and Donald Jr. What two other names are
Oh,
not on that
Baron.
list?
Baron is one, and
That's Steven.
the other daughter. I can't remember.
Oh, Laura? No, it'd be Steven.
Yes, that's
right?
it. Laura and Baron.
Nope.
Fred.
Tiffany. Isn't it Tiffany? Thought it was.
You can't answer a question in the form of a question.
Was it
Oh,
Tiffany
can I
and
guess?
Baron?
Did anyone get it yet?
Nope.
You
I
guys
was
said
getting
it,
there,
but
Lance,
Gallie.
you didn't say them
Reddit?
together.
What'd you
I would
say?
like
Tiffany
to
and
go with
Baron.
Lance
Is that right?
Reddit.
There you go. Tiffany Barron. There you go.
Sure.
Okay.
Wait, what did you say, Gallie? That everyone talked
I was
over?
guessing Lance Reddick, but I think I was completely off.
Okay. All right.
All right. So again, I removed it because it's too easy. What year did the Blue Marble image get released to the public?
1972.
There you go. In 1959, Eisenhower commissioned 3 Boeing 707 aircraft to become the first aircraft designed for the president. What is the current Boeing aircraft used? This is no one's gonna get this. Go ahead and try.
Isn't it like a G13?
No. No, Air Force One is a 747, right?
No, Dan said ding next. What'd you answer?
Yeah, Dan.
I don't know. I was gonna say like a 757, but it might be this 47.
I would have to
Well,
give that to you, but it's all right. It's a 747-8. Whatever
Yeah.
that means.
Didn't Stone? You said 47 first.
I did, yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
All right. What is the formula to convert Celsius to Fahrenheit?
Yeah, I got that. It's Celsius to Fahrenheit is 9/5 plus 32.
That's it.
Wait, isn't there another one where it's like 1.3 times Celsius
9/5.
plus 32?
Oh, it's just a
9/5.
backwards formula. It'd be from Celsius to Fahrenheit would be 5/9 minus 32.
You mean Fahrenheit to Celsius? It would be
Wait,
minus
did I say that
32, 5/9. Yeah.
Oh, whoops. Okay. Next question is, who shot Ronald Reagan?
Yeah.
Ding.
Oh, Gallie?
I'm gonna go with Sirhan.
No.
No.
That's
Let's
JFK.
answer it. No.
It's Robert F. Kennedy or whatever. Not F. Kennedy. The brother.
Ah.
Yeah.
Bobby.
Bobby. Robert. Yeah, same thing.
All right.
All right, Andrew.
It's no one's gonna get a guess unless someone has a guess. You guys have all heard the name.
I know why he did it because he was like the Jodie Foster guy, but I forgot his name.
John Hinckley Jr.
Oh.
Yep.
Which president survived an assassination attempt because both of the revolvers? Well, I'm sorry. Did I put revolvers? What the
Ding,
fuck?
ding,
Ding,
Abraham
ding.
Lincoln.
Nope.
Who?
Abraham Lincoln.
No, Dan got
Nope.
Nope.
that.
Ding, ding.
Ronald Reagan.
Andrew Jackson.
Nope.
Damn it! I thought he killed
Okay,
two
read the whole
assailants.
question.
Oh yeah.
Well, it's a typo in there. So the guy had two of those, powder musket like handguns, and went up and shot like basically point blank. Both of them misfired. Then that president turned around and beat the shit out of him in front of like an entire audience of people.
Was it Lincoln again?
George W. Bush.
Someone already guessed Lincoln.
Huh.
I thought.
Eisenhower.
No, it was the banker dude from the war from the 1812.
Ding. Is it Teddy Roosevelt?
Nope. All right.
No.
Teddy Roosevelt had a speech in his pocket that got shot, and then he kept reading, right?
He was like the banker dude who wanted to end central. I can't remember his name now.
I'll just tell you guys. All right.
What is
That's
it?
a dud. It's Andrew Jackson.
I said Andrew Jackson. Dumb.
Oh, I
Yeah, he
didn't.
did.
Oh, okay. I'm sorry. I didn't hear that.
Yeah, point to
Norm-
me.
God, you had me all confused. I was like, wait, what? It had to be his friend that did the succession. Never mind. Go ahead. Fucking Andrew.
I'm not even sure if I should read this one.
Made me
Who was
question
the
my own
founding member
intelligence.
of the band Chameleon?
Ding. Who gives a fuck?
Exactly. That's why I took it off. I didn't say they're all winners. These are the losing questions.
Chameleon. Boy George?
I don't even know what chameleon is, bro.
This was intended for two musicians, by the way. So I even took it off of them because they would be like, "Yeah, I got that. It's easy."
I'm gonna
All right,
go
no
with Lance Reddick for this one.
No, it's Yanni.
Oh, cool.
Yanni.
That was close.
That one's way too fucking easy. I'll just read it anyways. It's for no points. What is the popular Patterson film all about?
How the hell is that too easy? What is that?
Seriously? All right, well, make it official then.
It's so easy. No one's raising their hand.
Patterson film.
Yeah, the Patterson film. It's available to watch on YouTube, and it has like 100 million views or something.
Patterson
Is
film?
it
It's so
about
vague.
Wright
Such a
Patterson Air Force Base?
No. Oh shoot. Okay, this is official. Shouldn't have taken this one off.
How is this too easy? I never even heard of this thing.
Is it about a government scandal?
I don't know. Maybe it's about Bigfoot.
Oh.
They say it's the only official one that everyone cannot debunk.
What?
Oh, the Patterson video, not film. I understand you now.
Oh,
yeah,
okay,
Of
film,
Bigfoot.
video.
I get you now. You better reword that question next time you ask it, I guess.
All right, Patterson video. Yeah, it was caught by like trail cam or something like that.
Yeah, he
But
was
I
just
don't- I
on a
don't believe in Bigfoot
riverbed
personally,
watching him
but-
take off.
You don't believe in Esau?
Missing out, brother.
All right, you can get either one of the names and get it correct. Who wrote the Happy Birthday song?
Your worst nemesis.
I hate that song, by the way.
Me too.
Okay, digging in, I'm going to go with Lance Reddick. Let's go.
Again?
Can you imagine if Galley actually tried? He'd probably win.
No, it's all right. It's Mildred and Patty Smith Hill. They were sisters.
How about no musician songs? No more.
Okay,
No more
well,
musician.
that's
And no
fine.
more movie. I'm. Yeah.
No.
All right.
You
The
can answer
electrical
that.
the electrical formula 6.28 times 10 to the 18th is better known by what unit of
Ding.
measurement?
Speed of light or a light year?
No.
Oh, that's
What
light
could
per
you
second.
repeat the question? I couldn't hear it.
That's
fully.
not a formula. That's a constant. I think you're referring to, but I don't know which one.
Yeah, sort of. It's a little off, but I mean, different physics and electrical engineering books are going to tell you it's either 6.28 or 6.25. But so it's
Ding, Jeremy.
6.28 times to the power of 18 is better known by what unit of measurement?
Ding.
Ding.
The electrical formula.
Is it not speed of light within a vacuum?
No.
No,
Is it C?
that was to the 8th.
Uh.
Speed of sound.
Nope.
Is it to the negative 18th?
No.
We're supposed
Ohm's
to be
law.
naming the. We're supposed to be naming the formula.
He wants the units of measurement behind this constant.
Oh, joules.
Close, but no.
Oh, well, I don't get the question.
Wait.
How about watts?
No, I don't know. Not what.
Electrons?
All right. You can keep guessing.
I've got a last minute guess. No, I'm just kidding.
Photons. Good
All right.
photons.
Tell me when you went the
Or
answer.
It's charge, like Coulomb.
There,
Oh,
an amp or a coulomb. There
an
you go.
amp or a coulomb. Okay.
All right, my
Yes.
guess was way off. I was gonna guess Lance Reddick, to be honest, guys.
I don't even know who that is,
Did
Gally.
somebody get a point for that?
I mean, I said
know.
Coulomb, but it's
Da-
up to y'all.
da- I say Dr. Dan or
Okay.
yeah.
You guys make this very difficult to score, you know.
If you need
But
us to pause,
continue.
let us know, Kat.
No,
'Cause I know
it's
you're no. Or
no, it's all right. It's all right. It's just we've had more wrong answers shouted out than we have had right answers shouted out. So anyway, continue on. I'm just trying to make sure I've got everybody's points tallied.
How many miles are in 1 nautical mile?
Ding. 1.15.
There you go.
Oh, it's 1.15? I was going to say 2.5. Thank you.
all right, Stone gets a point.
Continuing
Is it
on.
1.5 or 2.5?
It's 1.5.
Okay. See, we're learning a lot.
I wrote this one
Wonderful.
when O.J. Simpson died. I was just wondering, which 2 NFL teams did O.J. Simpson play for?
Ding. Miami Dolphins. And
Ding.
I can't remember another one. All right.
I'll go with Dolphins and Broncos.
I wrote this.
No, he played for the Niners. So it's a half a point each.
All right, give it.
The Buffalo Bills and the 49ers.
Yeah. Okay, so
I
I'm the
thought
only
it
one
was
who actually got
Dolphins.
part of it.
Did he play for the Dolphins? I swear.
I trusted you, Beast.
I thought he played for the Dolphins. He was like in a Dolphins jersey in a commercial or whatever.
That was an Ace Ventura, I believe.
Yeah, it was a Hertz
Oh,
Rent-A-Car
fuck,
commercial.
Dude, that's right. See, that messed me up. See what movies do?
So, which popular company owns Taco Bell?
Ding. Pepsi.
This company owns Pepsi as well.
Oh, ding. Nabisco.
Nope.
Fuck.
BlackRock.
Probably.
Sony.
No, see, that's why I removed it. It's yummy with an exclamation mark at the end. Yummy.
What?
That's hilarious.
Oh wait, doesn't Pepsi own Taco Bell? So wouldn't that technically be right?
Well, that's like the umbrella company. Sort of like if I were to ask you who owns Google. You guys know the answer to that one?
Alphabet.
Yeah, right. But who owns the Alphabet company?
Ooh.
BlackRock.
Taylor's answer, BlackRock.
BlackRock.
Satan.
Just go back to BlackRock. All right. You Jedi nerds. Obi-Wan Kenobi was Luke Skywalker's Jedi Master, but who was Obi-Wan Kenobi's Jedi Master?
Ding.
Qui-Gon Jinn. Oh, ding. Qui-Gon Jinn.
Was it Darth Vader?
All right. Hold on, Alan. What did you say?
Yeah.
Qui-Gon Jinn.
All right, Alan gets a point.
Okay.
What was the right answer?
Qui-Gon Jinn.
Qui-Gon Jinn.
The guy that got sliced in half by Darth Maul, like a loser.
Oh.
Dude got peace be upon him. He was a good man.
He was
Yeah, that was
taken
what's his
from
name?
us.
The famous
Liam Neeson.
actor.
Liam Neeson. He has a particular set
Neeson,
of
yeah.
skills. One of them is not
And
hunting
he'll
the
find
Sith.
you.
Has Liam Neeson been in a single movie where he didn't just have like a handgun in the picture of the movie, like on the front cover? Just like
Yeah.
every single time, it's the same thing.
On Star Wars, you could see the little. He was holding up a little blaster. So no, never.
So you have a plus or minus 20 words on this. The YouTube channel named Mythical Rocket broke the world record for speed typing. How many words per minute did he type?
Ding.
250.
255?
Nope.
No. Was it 250?
Nope.
Okay. Sorry, Dan.
300?
That would be close enough, within the margin. 305, and he did it live streaming it the entire time.
Wow, that's impressive.
It took him a few attempts to do it correctly, but yeah, it's nuts. You know, because if you've ever taken a typing speed test, they give you like this big long essay, and then you just have to like basically type it out with 0 typos. All right. Which famous banker scammed Nikola Tesla, causing him to become depressed and nearly give up on his inventions?
Ding.
JP Morgan.
That's it.
Boom.
What was the name of the funder for Nikola
Westinghouse.
Tesla? Yeah.
And Westinghouse, yeah, he promised him, what was it, like $1 or something, like, or $10 per kilowatt that was going to be produced by his AC generators, which means if Nikola Tesla was alive today, he would be a multi-trillionaire.
Wow.
Like multi-trillionaire. So ovum, O-V-U-M, in Latin means egg. What shape does that term describe?
He said ding
the
first.
ovum-
Ellipsoidal.
The ovum is the name of the an egg that's
Ellipsoidal.
produced- Yeah. Good.
It's not ellipsoidal.
Well, it's sort of it is.
Oval?
A ball.
It's oval, yeah. I mean, ellipsoidal is probably also correct, but ovum is oval, but that's in Latin.
No one said oval. I was like, that's too simple. No way. Oh, there you go.
I know, it's a little bit of a trick question.
That's a point for me, Kat.
Got
Thank you,
it,
Kat.
B.
Here's another electrical type of question. Who wrote the book The Invisible Rainbow?
Ding. Oh, shit. I said ding too fast. I have his book, and I don't remember his name now.
Vasilis?
No.
No.
It's Robert something.
Nope. It's a great book, by the way.
C. Furstenberg.
I think that would be, yeah, at least you got the last name.
Richard?
Arthur Furstenberg.
No, Arthur C. Furstenberg is what it is.
Oh, that's, I
Wait
didn't
for
hear you say that.
Benjamin.
All right, Ben gets a point. Cat's like,
Point for
shit,
Ben.
I gotta write a new category.
No. I had been.
Oh.
That was Ben, right?
Mm-hmm. He's been
Okay, yes.
absent this whole game.
Right. But he hasn't said anything, but he's been here the whole game.
It's true.
So his name was on the list because I wrote down everybody in the room at the beginning of guessing. So there might be some people that are in here now that aren't on the list. But if they guess, then I'll add them. But Ben's name was already there. Continue. What's our next question, Andrew?
What year and who was it that founded the Flat Earth Society? You have plus or minus 2 years on the year.
Ding. Leo Ferrari. Are you talking about the fake Flat Earth Society or the OG
Yeah, the
one?
website. Yeah.
Yeah,
Well, I have
Leo.
a website now. There wasn't a website back then, though.
Oh, there was no website back then. Oh, but wasn't it Leo Ferrari? And then it
No.
was like 73 or something like that. No.
Tell you what, I'll just tell you the name of the guy, and then you have to get the year. It was Samuel Shenton, and it was before the internet existed, as far as we know.
1930s.
No, it's a very specific year.
Okay,
All right.
no points on that one.
Oh yeah, it's 1956.
Wow.
56.
When did Leo Ferrari come into picture?
I don't know.
Mm.
All right, here's a fun one. What is the name of a word that is spelled the same way forwards and backwards?
Ding. A palindrome?
There you go. Palindrome.
Almost fucked that one up.
Nice, nice.
What is another name for a kippa?
The hat.
Kippah.
That's a good guess. It's not a bad guess.
Is that the
Wait,
Jew hat?
Yarmulke?
No, that's a yarmulke.
Yeah.
That's yarmulke is the answer.
Oh, did I get it by accident?
I don't
Someone
know.
said
Who was
Jew
I don't
Was
think we
hat.
that,
said it
that
first.
was Ben again, I think.
Another
Was it
point for
Ben?
Ben.
Yeah,
Yeah,
Ben.
you asked. You said you corrected me, saying no, it wasn't a yarmulke.
Yeah, Dan said, was that a Jew hat? That is what
And
it is.
I said a yarmulke?
Point for Ben. Well, I think Ben said it right before you.
No, Ben got it.
I think we
Okay,
can
Ben.
all agree that it's a type of hat. So we should all get a point.
Just say
That's
hat.
true. Taylor did say a hat
Very
first.
tiny.
Hats that don't fit.
tiny hat.
I doubt I get points.
You
So
get points in
beginning,
my book for that one.
this one's a
It's
little
okay, I
bit of a
don't-
long question, so I'll probably have to read it again. Beginning on August 7th, 1961, a series of social psychology experiments were conducted by a
Ding.
Yale University psychologist who intended to measure the willingness of study participants to obey an authority figure who instructed them to perform acts conflicting with their personal conscience.
Ding. Is it called the Princeton or prison experiment?
No, this is
No, it's
earlier.
very specific.
This is from MK Ultra. I can't remember the doctor's name, but he had glasses. He was a German dude. Oh, he was the father of brainwashing. I can't remember his name now.
All right, almost a point to Beast.
Not even close. Okay, it's the Milgram experiment.
Ooh, nice one.
What's his full name?
I don't remember. Dr. Milgram? I don't know.
Yeah,
Yeah, it was Dr. Milgram.
yeah. But the dude basically, yeah, he would basically do this thing called psychic driving, where he would put his patients in sleep for like 23 days or something like that, and would constantly repeat messages on a loop over and over again while they were sleeping. They called it psychic driving. He was the father of that too.
Yeah, it's pretty interesting to. I mean, there's like documentaries and stuff that are made about it. It's pretty fucked up.
Oh yeah.
Wasn't the
And-
Milgram experiment for when they were shocking individuals?
Yes.
Yeah.
Same guy.
Everybody who participated killed the individual.
Yeah, well, they were in control of the button.
Yeah, no.
But then, yeah. No, press it again. Oh no, the voltage just got increased. No, press it again. It's part of the experiment.
Hey lads, we're gonna wrap
yeah.
up here in about 6 minutes. You guys are free to keep playing after or whatever, but I'm gonna end the stream here in 6 minutes.
Ooh,
Sound
before
good?
we end the stream, let's do a final point score then. Should we do one more question?
Whatever you want.
One more question for all the marbles.
Okay.
For all the marbles. All right, Andrew, pick a good one. No pressure.
I am so ready.
Let's see. Look.
Gal, you can't say Lance
Yeah,
Reddick.
Rennick.
Sorry. Or whatever.
Okay, here we go. This might be stupid too. But anyways, which automotive company created QR codes in 1994?
Oh. Oh, that's the Japanese company, and I can't remember the name off the top of my head now.
Is it both?
Mitsubishi?
No.
No.
Volkswagen?
No.
No.
Dang, General Motors.
Nope.
Toyota?
That is correct. Toyota.
Was it Toyota? No.
It
They did
is.
QR codes first?
What an awesome guess, hey?
I gave it to you with the Japanese hint.
You did. You did.
Well, I can keep going, but whatever you
We
want.
got time for one more. Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Can't end it with the Japs. Come on. Keep it going.
When someone graduates law school in the United States, they are the recipient of a JD degree. What does JD stand for?
Juris Doctor.
Oh, that's correct.
Ooh, who said it first?
Taylor gets the point.
What's it called?
Juris Doctor.
Juris Doctor. Huh.
So, what does GIF stand for? GIF. You all seen them. Probably even made one before.
Graphics. Image.
It's just straight up
Dang, graphic
image
image
file.
file.
Yeah, I got it just before G, I think.
Is it file?
But I
No, it's
don't
not
think that's
file.
what it is.
Yeah, file. It's called something stupid. I remember. Kinda remember. How's it called?
This was actually one of the questions that was on my one of my tests when I was taking my electronics courses.
Graphics, image. Isn't that like some type of matrix formulaic matrix or something weird? Dude.
What the ruck?
It's basically the same thing as a screensaver. So. All right, it's a graphics interchange format.
Format.
Nice.
Because you have to format it into a. Yeah, so it's not a JPEG, which is another question. Where did I have that at? Yeah. So, what does JPG or JPEG stand for? They're very similar, but one of them actually has movement to it. The other one, like this, doesn't. It's just a picture.
Juxtaposition.
Yep.
Photography.
Keep going.
Excellent looking graphics.
Pretty close. Pretty close.
Nope.
All right.
You're only off by one word.
All right, Andrew, we got one more. We got time for one more.
No.
Okay. Well, the answer to that one is Joint Photographic Expert Group.
Ah, the
Wow.
old
All right, wait. Don't end it yet. We gotta do a final score. Final score for everybody.
All right.
From Kat.
All right, what do we got, Kat?
You want a movie question or you want a book question?
Nope, we're tallying up the score, and then I'm gonna end
guess
that.
we hit the wall. We hit the wall.
Alrighty. I have, with the most points, Beast has 5, then Stone has 4, and Dan has 3. And then Taylor has 2, and Chris has 2, and Alan has 1. And those are the scores that I have written down.
Very respectable scores, lads.
Got a 3 for me. But good job, Beast.
Thank you.
You're doing great. Kicking butt. I thought Stone
It's
was
all
gonna win
because
that one.
of Brushtail Coffee.
Wait,
I was
didn't Stone win
I
the
was going
last
easy
one?
on him. Oh yeah, I was way up front in the first one.
Stone, you won the flat Earth one, right? The first one.
Yes. Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Cool. Good job, y'all.
All right, Lily, do you have time for an ad read, or should I just rip up your contract?
Oh, well, sadly, I need the money, so I'm going to do it for the money. Yeah, folks. So, folks, I just wanted to give you an update on that lovely Victorian woman that I met, the one that walked out of the grave. So she's been coming around and getting coffee from me every day. And so I was like, this coffee is finite and everyone seems to want it. And so she was like, okay, I was going to tell, she told me that she was going to tell all her other zombie buddies, because, she's a zombie. She walked out of the grave and she was going to tell all her zombie buddies about the coffee. But now she's just going to keep it to herself because she's like, oh, I don't want to use up all the brush tail coffee. It's finite. So thankfully, that's the bit of good news. The zombies are not going to go after our coffees, but the ETs, the ones that abducted me, they still come and get the coffee. So please buy as much brush tail as you can while you can, because who knows where this is all going to go in the end. Brush tail coffee.
Nice.
Thank you so much, Lily. Nothing like a little false
We should get a link for
scarcity
that
to
in the chat.
increase sales.
Alan, post the link for the brush tail.
It's brushtail.coffee. It's in the chat. I have a bot that says it every 10 minutes. All right. See you guys tomorrow for Dom and I's debate on Modern Day Debates at 8 p.m. Eastern. So our normally scheduled Prezi time will be a debate watch party time, unfortunately, for the opponents that will be debating or whatever. And then Wednesday and Thursday will be TikTok events. Shane and I will think of something to host or go raid other people. And then Friday will be a community space, unless Flat Earth Fridays is back. And I think that's everything for the week. Did I miss anything?
That's everything.
All right, we're clear.